Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best cordless nail gun in this video? I will show you the top 3 best cordless nail guns to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, Fujiwara Electric Nail Gun. Specifications. Brand name, Fujiwara. Capacity, F nail and U type nail. Model number, Fuj 50. Power source, electricity. Type, framing nail gun. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. Net weight, 2.7 kilograms. Size, 270 mm x 240 mm. Energy, lithium battery. Voltage, 18 volts DC, 50/60 HC. The item number 2 is body-only matching Makita. Specifications. Brand name, Wuwin Tools. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have 18-gauge cordless rechargeable nail gun. Specifications. Brand name, Wuwin Tools. Usage, renovation team. Model number, UWTG 181. Power source, battery. Type, brad nail gun. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. Power, match 18 volts Makita battery.